Really quick, I wanted to encourage you to stop planting seeds on stony, rocky grounds. It's not growing. So I'm gonna ask you this question. Do you feel stagnated? Do you feel overwhelmed? Or are you feeling like you're not walking in your full purpose? You're not passionate, no longer passionate, as passionate about what you're doing? Do you feel like you're no longer creative, inventive? Like, do you just feel like things are not moving like they used to or as they should? I understand that feeling all too well. And I want to say this to you. Stop planting your seeds on grounds that's not developed. It's not going to grow. And you're going to feel stuck. You're going to feel stagnated. You're going to feel overwhelmed because you're putting your energy, your love, your passion in a place that has no growth. It's dead. And so I say to you, prune it. It's time to cut some things off. It's time to cut some things out. It's time to remove some people from your life. It's time to stop investing in things that don't serve you, purpose. Guys, I'm talking about these classes, these courses. You're doing these things. I'm talking about relationships. I'm talking about friendships. I'm talking about mentorships. I'm talking about what no longer serve you. It's time to prune it. It's time for you to stop pouring into something that's not growing for you. So I'm asking you to look over your life, look over what's happening, and ask yourself, why am I feeling stagnated? Why am I feeling burned out? Why am I feeling stuck? Why am I overwhelmed? Why I feel like I can no longer get traction? Why I even feel like my bank account is at this certain place? Like, what's going on? And I'm going to encourage you to cut it off and begin to see, redevelop that ground, redevelop that place, so that now you've removed all these things, you've pruned it, you're redeveloping, you're recreating. Now you can begin to throw those seeds out again. You can begin to put love and nurture to the places and to the people and to the things that's going to grow for you. It's going to grow within you and out of you and for you. And you can begin to see things different and feel different about yourself, your life, your business, your goals, your family, your community, about your passion, your purpose, all those things that God has called you to do. Now you'll be able to see those things, guys. So I'm encouraging you, don't stop. This does not mean that it's over. It just means it's time to prune. It's time to make some adjustments. It's time to remove some things and keep pushing forward. I promise you. So again, my name is, I didn't say again, but now I'm introducing myself. My name is Marsha Mayfield. I am the owner of CEO. I'm the CEO, of Financial Services Plus, and I'm talking fast because I'm trying to get in class. See, Financial Services Plus, where I help beauty professionals make and maintain multiple six figures in their business and also become actionable CEOs, guys. You're not just stylists, estheticians, etc. You're CEOs. You run a corporation, and I want to support you with doing that. But I know the feeling when you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, burnt out, and things are not happening in your life. I'm sharing with you today from a personal place. Prune it. Redevelop it, then begin to throw those seeds out again and watch it grow. Have a magnificent day.